have the paper. Take away. Face that way, Carl. Do a big cough, your regular cough. Okay. All right, so you have it there. And with this technique here, you can put them in any position. The best position for this, particularly for your elderly, for your sick patients, is to have them with the head of the bed elevated, like at 45 degrees. So we don't have that. So anyway, we're going to do it in sitting. So what you do, I do need them still. I'm sorry. Thanks. Sorry about that. Where am I? Yeah, where I was.
Black one.
Okay.
Oh no! Don't use that.
What's worse?
No, no, but.
I wouldn't need anything off of this floor. It's horrible.
I don't like to put anything on this floor.